Hello guys, are you experiencing any relock on Samsung? We got you with our GOAT and Lockup Pro tool. This is how to download our tool, the GOAT and Lockup Pro tool. This tool bypasses all relocked, excuse, all relocked Samsung and all latest Samsung 2026 security patches and below. That is it. So to download our tool, you just open any browser that is any browser, and then type gsmgoat.com, gsmgoat.com, and click enter. That is it. gsmgoat.com, gsmgoat.com, and click enter. Let's gsmgoat.com, https.gsmgoat.com. That is it. This is the site. You download the tool here. This is the button to download the GOAT and Locker Pro tool here. These are the subscription plans. So we want to download our tool here. You see, to download the tool, you must log in. Proceed to the so you proceed to log in to this site, and that RSH. Our logins are already saved in the PC, and yeah, that's you see you are given the link to download the exe file automatically. RSH, you wait for okay, it's done. So we open folder. Check. So this is it. Our tool got unlocker Pro. You open it. This bypasses all the Samsung, Techno, Infinix, and Itel that user security plugin also are supported on this tool. Subscription ongoing, as you can see. The login, I've already fitted my login, and login is there. So you connect. My active subscription is 1 year subscription, and you can see now it's already 362 days remaining. We continue fetching resources. Be patient as it fetches resources and open. That's it. This is our tool now. So bypass sometimes you come to this option, and you select now GSM GOAT Samsung bypass in GOAT Unlocker, and click start. As you can see, it has an error because you have not connected a device. So we have to connect our device. When ready, then start the process. As you can see, error, input redirection not supported. Exiting the process immediately. So for those who have the devices, this is the procedures. Simple and straightforward. You just enable ADB and um click GSM Gold Bypass 001, and you'll be done. Enjoy your tool.